Hello friends, welcome to 24th part of our lecture, permutation. Now today's class, we are going to see how to find whether the permutation is odd or even. You can classify the permutation into two: disjoint and non-disjoint. So, in our today's lecture, I am going to explain the topic non-disjoint permutation. I'll take an example: F2B 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is non-disjoint because there are common elements in between these two brackets. Even if it is one common element, we will say it as non-disjoint. 2 is common, 3 is also common. So to find it, we will perform the composition permutation. So 2 is mapped to 3, 3 is mapped to 2, and I have already said how to find the solve the non-disjoint composition, non-disjoint permutation and composition mapping in my past lectures, and I have provided that link in the description box. You can refer to it. 1 is mapped to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, and 5 is once again mapped to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since 5 is mapped to 1, there is no 1 here. So it means it is an identity mapping. 1 is mapped to 1, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is mapped to 4, 5 is mapped to 5 itself in this. So 5 is mapped to 1, 1 is mapped to 1 itself, 4 is mapped to 5, 5 is not there, 5 is mapped to 5 itself, 3 is mapped to 4, 4 is mapped to 4, 2 is mapped to 3, 3 is mapped to 2, 1 is mapped to 2, and 2 is mapped to 3. Now we will be writing the shortcut form of this. 1, 3, 3 is mapped to 4, 4 to 5. That's it. 1, I'll cancel this 1, I'll cancel 3, I'll cancel 4 and cancel 5. Since this is an identity mapping, I'll exclude it. Now we are going to find the transposition of this permutation: first and the last, first and the previous last, first and 3. Since 1, 2, 3, there are a pair like 3 brackets, 1, 2, 3, it is called as odd transposition. Odd permutation. Let me take one more example. H to be 1, 2, 5 and 4, 3. Similarly, for the same, we will be performing the composition permutation in 3 and composition 6 to 1. 1 is mapped to 2, 2 is mapped to 5, and 5 is mapped to 1. 4 to 3, 3 to 4. This is 3. 6 is mapped to 2, 2 to 1, 1 to 6. So, since the highest number here is 6, I'll be writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 up to 6 here. 1 is mapped to 6, 6 is not there, so it means 6 is mapped to 6 itself in this bracket. There is no 6 here, so 1 is mapped to 6. 2 is mapped to 1, there is no 1 here, 1 is mapped to 2 itself. So 6 is mapped to 2, there is no 2 here, 2 is mapped to 5. 6 is mapped to 2, 2 is mapped to 5. There is no 5 here. There is no 5 here. 5 is mapped to 1. There is no 4 here. 4 is mapped to 3 and 3 is mapped to 3 itself here. What are the elements are missing in this permutation or all identity mapping? That is 3, 4, 6 are mapped to 3, 4, 6 itself. For 3, 3 is mapped to 4. There is no 4 here, so 4. Make sure that the elements in first row does not repeat itself and the elements in the second row does not repeat itself. So now we are going to write the shortcut form for this. I can write this as 1 is mapped to 6, 6 is mapped to 5, 5 is mapped to once again 1. 1, I cut this out, 6 and 5. 2 is mapped to 2 itself, so I am not going to include this. 3 is mapped to 4 and 4 is once again mapped to 3. I can write the transposition of this first and the last, first and the previous last, 3 and 4. 3 transpositions. Hence, it is also odd permutation.